Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
Hey guys, it is almost fall, and when that comes around, we think of what? Pumpkin spice. So today we're making Jennifer Garner's, well, it's not actually hers, but we're gonna make the brown butter oatmeal pumpkin cookie that she showed us how to make on her pretend cooking show. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm so excited. I love me some cookies, and I also love me some pumpkin spice.
Me too.
I'm not ready, not just yet.
First, we're gonna brown the butter, which is the first time I've done that before. I think it's supposed to help give it a nutty flavor, which is perfect for fall. And then we're gonna add some cookie stuff, and then we got a glaze for this cookie too. So you know this is gonna be absolutely delicious. So first off, the butter. We're gonna melt it and then brown it. So this is gonna be about 5 to 8 minutes, which is a big difference. So it depends on how high your heat is. So we're gonna sit here now for 5 to 8 minutes.
How does your butter look?
It is brown, and it took probably 9 minutes. It was like really foamy for a long time, but then once it browns, I would turn off the fire.
I couldn't even see under the foam. Did you see under?
No, I kept swirling it, and I was like, I think I see some brown. Look what I made, because it's so dry. I could sculpt with it. Rolled oats, flour, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and pumpkin spice. And again, with the you want rolled oats, not want the instant oats. No.
I'm a mess. I told Gina, I go, you're gonna have to lead me today because I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, that's a scary thought, but I can do it. I can do it. As long as I don't forget the sugar, that I don't forget to take it out, and what else have I done wrong? For all the butter that you browned, you're gonna reserve a 1/4 cup of it for the glaze. And what's remaining is for the cookie. With the butter, we're also gonna add the regular sugar and brown sugar.
We're gonna add in brown butter into our sugar, egg yolk, and a vanilla extract.
Ooh, it smells like burnt caramel. Wait, pumpkin puree.
Oops. The star of the show.
And it goes. It's nice.
It almost looks like I'm adding like coffee grind to mine. Does yours look like that?
The muck? So you put it in a ball and then you slightly flatten it and you put them 3 inches apart.
All right, Gina, I'm going in. I need the extra time because my cookies are giant.
You're gonna eat it like a hamster. Like. All right, people. The cookies smell so good. That's how I knew they were done, because my nose told me so.
Yours look perfect. Mine are big and fat.
But you knew they were gonna be big and fat.
Yeah, I'm excited. I don't care.
So while those cool, we're gonna make the glaze, because we just need more sugar on it, okay? So I have here the 1/4 cup of browned butter. And I don't know if you can see some of the muck that we were talking about. Milk, and a little more vanilla.
Do you follow Jennifer Garner? Because I do.
I do.
Love her. Yeah.
I do, I'm a big fan of hers.
I know we made her, was it her tuna brown rice bowl? And that was good.
Let's get drizzling. Oh, see, mine's starting to thicken. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
So do I put it on with a knife? I'm gonna add more milk. All right, just a little bit at a time. Just like.
Oh, that's fine. Is yours cakey?
It's a soft cookie. I wouldn't
Yes.
even say cakey. It's not that thick. Love this. It's not too sweet, I don't think. And you can taste the cinnamon and the pumpkin and everything. And I have a little, I didn't burn the bottom, but I feel like I can taste a little, maybe it's the butter, but like a burnt, like a good burnt, like a nuttiness in it. So that browning butter technique is a good step.
I don't really notice the brown butter, so I don't know if we needed that stuff. Maybe if I added the color. You can taste the brown butter nuttiness. I don't taste it at all.
I taste nuttiness.
Really?
You had all the muck too, so I would think that would be more flavor in yours.
It's a good cookie. It's not sweet, like you said, but I don't know. I feel like I could have just done this whole cookie without browning the butter. But I mean, then it wouldn't be brown butter oatmeal cookie. I think it's good. Definitely
I
needed
love
the
it.
glaze though. I think if it didn't have the glaze,
Not sweet enough then? It needed the glaze. Yeah, glaze for sure.
sure.
Ready for fall. Make sure you join us next week for more fall recipes. So let's get in the season. Let's get cooking together. Make sure you subscribe and don't miss our next video. Bye.
where's your ice cream? You got it?
Well, I have ice cream, but I'm gonna see if I like this first. I don't want to waste my ice cream.